As Delhi residents continue to choke in the toxic air, the Delhi government has issued an advisory directing private offices to operate with 50% on-site staff and to allow the remaining employees to work from home. Now, the advisory comes as a precautionary measure under GRAP Stage 3 after a directive by the Commission for Air Quality Management. Based on a Supreme Court order, the CAQM has tightened Delhi NCR's pollution response framework by moving several GRAP measures, including the option of work from home, to earlier stages. Now, Delhi's air quality remained very poor for the 9th consecutive day on Saturday, with the overall air quality index recorded at 370.
I don't think कुछ बोल के कुछ हो सकता है, but it's getting worse and worse. I'm from Delhi, so I know what it used to be earlier, and it's just getting worse. And something needs to be done to stop it. Otherwise, we won't be able to see each other standing next to each other. It would reach that point.
And my colleague Anmol Bali is now joining us with the latest details on this. Anmol, how is the current situation in the national capital? Where does the AQI stand today?
Anjali, currently I am here at the Akshardham, where I'll show you behind in the visuals that how a thick layer of smoke has engulfed the national capital region. Not only Delhi, but various other adjoining cities like Gurugram, Noida, Ghaziabad are all witnessing the same. And if I'll talk about the current AQI in Delhi, that's in very poor category. The current AQI, which was reported today in the morning around 7 a.m. Was around 381, means very poor. And various other places in the national capital like Alipur, Anand Vihar and Ashok Vihar are also witnessing worse and very poor AQI. Even in Anand Vihar, we are seeing that AQI is above 400, above severe category it's 429, and Bwana it's 432, in Burari it's 402. And keeping all that in mind, various measures have been implemented by the Delhi government and the central government to curb the pollution. Like GRAP 4 is now merged into GRAP 3, and the GRAP 4 measures will be now implemented in the GRAP 3, where they have asked offices, private offices and government offices to shift the workforce to the work from home. And even the government of Delhi has said that they will be distributing heaters to the people so that less coal will be burned and less emission will be done in the environment. But yeah, the situation is deteriorating, where the pollution level has reached above 400 mark, and even PM10 and PM2.5 has also reached the above mark, the danger level marks as prescribed by the WHO. And people with the respiratory problems have been advised by the doctors and health experts to not step out, to not come out, or if they are coming out to wear, then they are asked to wear mask. Anjali.